Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Show a Quick Highlight on the Focused Object in Google Chrome step by step. This accessibility feature briefly highlights the currently focused item on a web page, making it easier to track your navigation and focus. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility. You can also type Chrome/settings/accessibility into the address bar and press Enter. On the Accessibility page, look for the option called Show a Quick Highlight on the Focused Object. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Chrome will briefly highlight buttons, links, text fields, and other elements whenever they receive focus. You can test the feature by pressing the Tab key to move between items on a web page. As the focus changes, you'll notice a quick highlight around the selected object. This can make keyboard navigation easier and help you keep track of where you are on a page. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Show a Quick Highlight on the Focused Object in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.